Start your SEO, search engine optimization. It's a marketing discipline focused on growing visibility in organic, non-paid. You don't pay for these ads. Search engine results. So if you're paying for a search engine result, like getting up on Google page 1 and up high, that's not what we're talking about. That's just simply getting your wallet out and paying as much as you can to get on that search engine result. SEO is different. Sometimes SEO is simply a matter of making sure your website is structured in a way that search engines understand. So modern Weebly sites, Wix, Squarespace, these website platforms have all of this SEO feature and structure integrated with their service. So you really don't have to know much, but you do have to be a beginner. You have to have beginner's knowledge of SEO. So we have a guide for you. It's a guide, a beginner's guide on SEO. Click the link and we're going to ask you questions about what you learned in the guide, the beginner's guide to SEO.